Real talk lang, ilang beses ka na bang nag-back out sa mga interviews kasi natatakot ka mag-English? Or yung tipong, alam mo naman yung sagot pero natutulala ka kasi nako-conscious ka sa grammar? Kung ganun ka, then this video is for you because today, I will share simple and proven ways to improve English communication skills kahit hindi ka perfect sa grammar at kahit hindi ka naturally fluent. By the end of the video, you'll have clear steps so you can practice daily para mas confident ka na sa English, client messages, at interviews. Step number 1, listen daily. Hindi mo kailangan mag-aral ng grammar book buong araw. Start by listening to how real people speak. Pwedeng podcasts, YouTube videos, or even Netflix shows. Pero piliin mo yung English na natural at conversational. Example, kapag gusto mong matuto sa client interviews, pakinggan mo yung mga mock interview videos. Habang nanonood ka, imitate the tone and pronunciation. Example, client says, "Can you tell me about your previous experience?" You just have to repeat, "Sure, I used to work as a virtual assistant for a real estate company." The goal is masanay ang tenga mo sa rhythm ng English conversation. Step number 2, at sa call center ko natutunan to. Speak out loud daily. Hindi mo maririnig kung saan ka nagkakamali kapag hindi ka nagsasalita. Like a lot of us, we would practice sa isip lang natin but would not speak out. So, speak out loud every day kahit 5 minutes lang. Pwedeng kausapin mo yung sarili mo or kausapin mo yung anak mo or just simply say when you wake up, "Today, I'll check my client's calendar and update the CRM." Or kung gusto mo realistic, mag-record ka ng sarili mong client update. Halimbawa, "Hi, just a quick update. I finished scheduling all meetings for this week." Alam mo yung masasanay ka sa structure, tone, and confidence. Hindi mo kailangan, again, na perfect. Ang kailangan mo, consistent. Step number 3. Practice written communication. Most freelancers start with writing sa chat, sa email, sa task updates. Kaya, perfect tong part na to. Try to rephrase yung Tagalog messages into simple English. Instead of, "Wait lang po, checking pa po ako," say, "Please give me a moment, I'm still checking." Simple, polite, and clear. You can also make it a habit to write one short journal entry per day. Halimbawa, say, "Today, I learned how to use Canva for a client project." Writing helps you think in English naturally. Step number 4, use it in real situations. Kapag may client ka na, huwag kang matakot gumamit ng English. Start with small phrases like, "Noted, thank you for the update, let me double check and get back to you." Mas practical kaysa mag-overthink ka sa grammar. You see, confidence grows through application, hindi sa kakaisip. Kaya every chat, every email, every meeting, opportunity yan. Step number 5, learn from corrections, not fear them. Normal magkamali, pero huwag mong gawing reason para umiwas. Kapag may nag-correct sa'yo, say, "Thank you for correcting me." Ganun ka ka-confident. The more you accept feedback, the faster you improve. Kasi ang goal is hindi perfect English kung hindi effective communication na naiintindihan ka at may respeto ka sa kausap mo. Step number 6, build your confidence mindset. Remember guys, communication is a skill, not a talent. Ibig sabihin, natututunan siya just like Canva, ClickUp, or client management. So, huwag mong ikumpara yung sarili mo sa iba. Practice everyday kahit 10 minutes lang and you'll notice progress. At kung gusto mong guided na training and practice community, join our GVA training program or follow the hashtag VA Success Tricks 2026 para sa daily tips. Kung gusto mo pang matuto ng freelancing and communication tips, subscribe na and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next video. At tandaan, you don't need perfect English to start. You just need to start communicating. By the way, we have a full training on grammar and communication. Ililink ko na lang sa description box below. And per usual, comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow, or my work from home chismis. I'll see you sa next vlog. Bye!